How to see old Google Maps street views. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. You'll find a yellow person icon at the bottom right. Simply hold on to it and drag it where you want to see the street views of. After you've done that, it will lead you to this page where you will be able to see the street view. And at the top, you'll find date of the street view, and if you don't see other dates option, what you can do is go to other specific places and you'll find see more dates. Click on see more dates at the top, and at the bottom you can scroll and you'll find different according to the maps. In this case it's 2017-13 as you want, and this is how to see all Google Maps street views. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.